In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove the background from an image in Microsoft Word. So at the moment you can see there I've got an image in Microsoft Word which is of myself wearing a very cool t-shirt, I must say. Anyway, I want to actually remove the background from this image. So to do this, first you need to insert the image that you want to remove the background from by going on to Insert and then just simply selecting Pictures and then selecting this device and then putting the image in. Or you can go Control and C on the image and then paste it into Word. Once you've done that, you now need to select the image and you will then see a picture format option at the top in the ribbon. You need to go ahead and select the picture format option. If you do not see all these options, then you need to expand the ribbon. So if I just de-expand it and then select picture format, it should expand. If you then want to keep it expanded, you can click on the pin icon on the right hand side. So now that we've done that, we need to select remove background on the left hand side of the ribbon. Once you've selected it, you will now see a pink or purple colour on the image. So this is indicating the areas of which will be removed from the image. So at the moment it's done a pretty good job. However, it's shown here on the top of my head that it's going to remove a bit of my hair and on the left hand side here. And I'm also going to lose the bottom part of myself. So I don't want this, I want to keep this in the image. So we now need to select mark areas to keep on the left hand side in the ribbon. You will now see a pencil icon. So you can simply go to the areas that you want to keep. So like I said just up here, if I now hold down the left click button on my mouse, it will then do a green line. I can then let go of the button and it's now deselected that area. I can then do the same again, hold down the click button and then go along this area here. And you can now see it's sprung in my hair and slightly my ear, which I can go like that. And that should sort that out as well. So the bottom part of myself is kind of missing as well. So I now need to get the pencil and then go along the bottom there and then let go. You can now see it selected my arm and also the outside here. So I now need to do the same again and go along the bottom, drawing a green line and selecting all the bits that I want to keep. Once you let go of the mouse button, you will then see what's going to be kept in the image. So that's actually pretty good. That's kind of kept everything that I want. Apart from this bit here, it's actually missing out quite a bit there. And it's now selected the white area there. So once you are happy with your image and the bits that it's going to keep, we can then click on to keep changes. Also, if you do end up selecting something wrong, so say I select there, you can actually go Control and Z on your keyboard to undo the change that you just did. And don't worry, it will not undo everything. So we can now go ahead and click on keep changes. And straight away you can now see that the background has been removed from my image, which is fantastic. You can now go ahead and play around with any other picture settings that you want. So along the top here you've got like picture styles and you can add like a different colour background. I have just noticed at the bottom here that it didn't actually remove this area. So I want to quickly just show you something else as well. So if you select the image and go back onto remove background, you then also have mark areas to remove. So if you select this option, you will then have the pencil again. And if I now select this area, so you can see there we got a red pencil mark and then deselect, it's now gone purple or pink. So again, down here, I need to just quickly go mark as keep on that bit and this bit here. And there we go. That should be all good now. I can then go keep changes and it's now taken out that bit there as well. So that does now bring me to the end of this video. I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below. And if you'd like to see more computer sluggish videos, then click that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.